What's going on, vloggers, bloggers, and everyday toilet users? There's a little hair on the back of my screen. There it goes. Okay, so my original batch of hard cider did not go well, but the guy over here is going well. It's doing its natural thing and everything like that. It's already done with its first fermentation and everything like that. So this is the old cider that I had left in the fridge, and it's actually still pretty good. It smells good. I tasted it. It still smells good. I added a little bit of sugar to it on some crazy shit. I'm letting it get up to a temperature because I got some extra yeast left over. I got some Premier Blanc right here, and it's got a yield temperature of 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and this stuff is a little cold. But I noticed that when I shook it, and when I was originally looking at it, you could see like little bubbles coming up. Maybe I can see where it goes. Focus. There we go. But yeah, so it was already kind of doing its natural fermentation in the fridge and everything. And this stuff isn't due to expire for a while. So, but either way, yeah. So what I've decided to do with this gallon that was in the freezer or in the fridge is let it come up to room temperature. I took a gravity reading. It was at I think it was like 1.085, which would be like 6-7% alcohol by volume, but not bad nonetheless. But I'm gonna let this guy come up to room temperature. I just tested it a little while ago. We're gonna do it again real quick because we got to get it up to at least 45. And then I've got my Starzan right there. So all this stuff is sanitized. Yeah, this is that natural cider from Curtis Orchard. Like I said, just pulled it out of the fridge. So it's going to be a little cold. But whatever natural yeast that was already in there was already kind of doing a little bit of fermentation and stuff. Because, it hissed. It went when I opened it up. And then when I, what do you call it? Well, like I said, when I opened it up, you could definitely see, bubbles going and everything like that. And I tasted it, and it didn't taste like it was foul or acidy or anything like that. So I said, you know what? Why not? I went ahead and took a quick gravity reading of it. I've got some sanitizer in the bubbler, and I've got a sanitized thing. I've got a sanitized cork, and then I've got an extra thing of yeast that I'm not even using. And we already know, like I said, Fahrenheit temperature is 45. So we're just gonna let this guy get up to its temperature. Let's put this back on. So how many critters growing, and screw it. Fucking another gallon for no reason. But either way, I will update you on this guy as soon as possible, and we'll go from there.